Now let me give you one that's really ugly. 2a times x minus 4 quantity squared minus 18a times x minus 4 minus 20a. Now I told you this little trick on tape 8, but when you have something ugly like this, you can replace it with something that's a little bit prettier. So what we're going to do, I'm going to come and I'm going to make a substitution and say let u be x minus 4. So that means in place of x minus 4 quantity squared, I'm going to write u squared. In place of x minus 4, I'm going to write u. So now we have a pretty good looking polynomial. 2a u squared minus 18au minus 20a. So notice this little substitution did more good than a half a dozen facelifts in improving the appearance of this trinomial. Now what I want to do is to identify a common factor. I want to pick the largest number that would divide into all coefficients. The largest number that would divide 2, 18, and 20 is the 2. Also notice that all three of them have the common factor of a. So I'm going to divide out the 2a. If I divide 2a into 2au squared, I get u squared. 2a into a negative 18au is a negative 9u. And 2a into a negative 20a is a negative 10. So I simply did the division, the 2a into each of the three terms to get the u squared minus 9u minus 10. Now I bring down the 2a and I factor u squared minus 9u minus 10 into u minus 10 and u plus 1. Now I did not go do this one step by step because I hope by now you're fairly comfortable, but I'll go over the process. Notice that this tells me the signs will be different. Now it doesn't tell me if it will be a minus and a plus or a plus and a minus, but minus and plus is what works because I made it check. But this tells you the signs will be different. The only way of getting u squared is u times u. Now how can I get 10? I can get 10 by 10 times 1, 1 times 10, 2 times 5, 5 times 2. And by checking all the combinations, I discover that 10 and 1 will check. Now we can do the check in our head just to make sure. U times u is u squared. If I multiply here, that'd be 1u minus 10u, so negative 9u. Then a negative 10 times positive 1 is negative 10. But don't forget to substitute back. The answer involved the x minus 4. So I have to write the problem as the 2a. In place of u, I write x minus 4, then minus the 10. In place of the u, I write x minus 4, and then I have the plus 1. Now I can combine the terms to get 2a times x minus 14, because a negative 4 and a negative 10 is negative 14, times x minus 3. A negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3, and this will be my answer. Now it's time for me to give you some exercises. I have given you just a few exercises on the tape, but nowhere near enough. Be sure to go to your textbook and work several problems. The first one, 10ab squared minus 50ab plus 60a. The second one, 12x to the fourth y cubed plus 14x cubed y to the fourth, subtract 10x squared y to the fifth. The third one, x squared minus 3x times the quantity a minus b minus 4 times the quantity a minus b squared. A hint on the third one, let u equal to a minus b. When you have finished copying the problems, stop the tape, and then restart the tape to check your answers. Here come the answers. The answer to the first one, 10a times b minus 2 times b minus 3. The second one, 2x squared y cubed times 3x plus 5y times 2x minus y. The third one, x minus 4a plus 4b times x plus a minus b. If you disagree with any of these answers, be sure to check with someone. This completes tape 109.